How to delete WhatsApp status. If you've posted a WhatsApp status and want to delete it, follow these simple steps. Let's start the process. First, open WhatsApp on your device and navigate to the Updates tab. In the Updates section, you'll see the status you've posted. Tap on My Status to view it. Next, tap on the three-dot menu next to the status you want to delete. From the drop-down menu, select the Delete option. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the status. Confirm your choice by tapping Delete again. The selected status will now be permanently removed and will no longer be visible to your contacts. And that's it. Your unwanted WhatsApp status has been successfully deleted. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more useful tutorials, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.